today I am going to get a lecture of binomial distribution, and this is an example of the binomial distribution. The example is 4 points are tossed simultaneously. Okay, what is the probability of 4 points are tossed simultaneously, and what is the probability of number 1 two heads? That means exactly two heads. What is the probability of getting exactly two heads? At least two heads. At least two heads. That means what? Two or three or four heads are getting, because here we cross the 4 points. Okay, and here is the at most two heads. At most two heads. That means what? The maximum head is two. That means one head is considered, and most probably all time we get the 10. Okay, so first the solution is, consider P is the probability of getting heads. Okay, P is the probability of getting heads. So here P is equal to what? 1 by 2. Okay, so if success is 1 by 2, so what is the failure? The failure is Q is equal to 1 minus P. That means 1 minus 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2. Okay, for next we consider if X is the success of probability for getting the heads. Okay, so P, first we write the formula of the binomial distribution. P, capital X is equal to X is equal to NCX P raised to the power X Q raised to the power N minus X. Okay, and here X is equal to 0, 1 up to N. Okay, but in this question we are given in the value of n, and that means what? Number of trials. That means 4 points are tossed simultaneously. That means here small n is equal to what? 4. So here we are given n is equal to 4. So first we put the n is equal to 4 in a binomial distribution formula. So P capital X is equal to X is equal to 4c x p raised to the power x q raised to the power n minus x. And here we have already seen that p is equal to 1 by 2 and q is also the 1 by 2. So put here the value of p and q in this form. So 4cx 1 by 2 whole raised to the power x and 1 by 2 whole raised to the power, here we write the 4. 4 minus x. Okay, and the value of x is equal to what? 0, 1 up to 4, because of here the number of trial n is equal to 4. Okay, so first we find the exactly two heads. That means if 4 points are tossed simultaneously, so first we find the probability of getting exactly two heads. Or here we consider x is the success of the probability of getting heads. Okay, so here the first point is what? First we find probability of x is equal to 2, because of here we get the probability of exactly two heads. So put here x is equal to 2. So 4c2 1 by 2 power 2 and 1 by 2 whole raised to the power 4 minus 2, that means 2. Okay, first we solve this state. So 4c2 1 by 2 raised to the power 4. Okay, so the term is 4c2 1 by 2 raised to the power 4 when we find the exactly two heads if 4 points are tossed simultaneously. So first we solve this state. So factorial 4, factorial 2 and factorial n minus r. That write here factorial 2 and here 1 by 16. Okay, so here factorial 4, open this term and here 4 into 3 into factorial 2 into 2 into 1 and 1 by 16. Okay, so here factorial 2 and factorial 2 is cancelled. 4 4 are 16, that means 3 by 8. That means what? If we find the exactly two heads, so the probability of getting exactly two heads is equal to 3 by 8. Okay, our second question is at least two heads. So here we write if the probability of getting at least two heads. So what is the meaning of the at least? At least two heads. That means four coins are tossed simultaneously. So maximum head is four. Okay. So at least two heads. That means we get two heads, three heads, or four heads. So here we write probability of P x greater than equal to 2. So what do you mean by the P x greater than equal to 2? That means here the value of x is x equal to 2, x equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. So we write here probability of x is equal to 2, probability of x is equal to 3 and the probability of x is equal to 4. Okay, so open this state with the help of binomial distribution. So we write here n c x. So here n is equal to what? The total number of tries is 4 because of in a question we are given in the 4 coins are tossed. Okay, so here we put n is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. So 4 c 2 p, that means 1 by 2 raised to the power 2 and 1 by 2 raised to the power 4 minus 2, that means 2. Okay, next term is here we are given it x is equal to 3. So we write here 4c3 1 by 2 raised to the power 3. Got it? And q is equal to also 1 by 2 because of success is p. P is equal to 1 by 2. So q is equal to what? 1 minus p. That means 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So here we write the 4 1 by 2 raised to the power 3. So next to q raised to the power n minus x. That means 1 by 2 raised to the power 4 minus 3, that means 1. Okay. And our last term is what? P x is equal to 4. So here we write 4c4. Okay. 1 by 2 raised to the power 4. P raised to the power x. But q raised to the power n minus x. Q is equal to, again we write here 1 by 2 and n minus x, that means what? 4 minus 4 is equal to, that means we write here 0. Okay, so solve these three steps and we get our answer is 11 by 16. Okay, that means P x greater than equal to 2. So the probability is 11 by 16. Okay, next last is at most two heads. So what do you mean by the at most two heads? At most two heads, that means what? We get four heads, two heads, or one heads, or all the four coins are getting only tail. Okay, so here if at least two heads, so we write here P x is greater than equal to 2. But at most two heads, so we write here P x less than equal to 2. So our last is at most two heads if four coins are tossed simultaneously. So here we write at most two heads for four coins are tossed. So we write here P x less than equal to 2. That means P x is equal to 2, P x is equal to 1 and P x is equal to 0. Okay, so we write here P x is equal to 0 plus P x is equal to 1 plus p x is equal to 2. Okay, so open this formula with the help of the binomial distribution. And what is the binomial distribution? Our binomial distribution is p capital X is equal to small x is equal to n c x. Here, small n is the number of trials. Okay, so we write here p raised to the power x and q raised to the power n minus x. And here x is equal to 0, 1 up to n. Okay, you have already known that this formula of the binomial distribution. Okay, so open this formula. So first here n is equal to what? N is equal to 4 because of number of trials, 4 points given in our question. So put n is equal to 4. So ncx, that means 4cx, that means 0. Okay, so p raised to the power. So in our this question, p is equal to 1 by 2 and also q is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 raised to the power 0, 1 by 2 raised to the power n minus x, that means 4. Okay, our second term is 4c1 because of ncx. So n is equal to be right here 4 and x is equal to 1. Okay, so 4c1 1 by 2 raised to the power 1 and 1 by 2 raised to the power what? 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, and our last term is x is equal to 2. Small x is equal to 2. So we put here 4c2. Got it? Here we write the 1 by 2 raised to the power 2 because of n c x. X is equal to what? 2. And q raised to the power n minus x. So q is equal to also 1 by 2 and n minus x, that means 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so solve this step and we get the value of probability of x less than equal to 2 is equal to 11 by 16. Okay, so we find all these three values if probability of x is equal to 2, that means exactly 2 heads. So our answer is 3 by 8. Okay, second is our probability of at least 2 heads. So our answer is probability of x greater than equal to 2 is equal to 11 by 16. And the last one is at most 2 heads. So p x less than equal to 2 is equal to 11 by 16. Okay, so this is the question of the depends on the coins. Okay, so coins and dice depend on these questions are very important for examination point of view. So this is the example of the at least, at most, and exactly. Okay, so I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this.